to wipe your eye with oil. Now I have everything put back together, everything's cleaned out, fully reforged, I guess. Now I can start her up. Did you hear that? That's the car not starting. Oh, fuck me. The only thing going through my head right now is, what have I done? Did I do wrong? Did I misplace something, or I don't know. So after sitting a while I thought, it must be the battery. Can't be the core packs. I plugged in everything fine. Oh, it's the battery. The thing's not even tight, it flew off. Twat. So they're tightening it now and let's see if this fixes it. Boy, I don't know the relief I just felt hearing all that load up. That's what that noise is this. Oh, it's gone? What?